Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BennyFX, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to navigate the chart on MT4, how to understand how MT4 works and how to use it to trade effectively. So we'll be looking at just the mobile version because I don't want this video to be very long. So I'll also do another video on the desktop version. And in case you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. So yeah, this is the code page. Yeah, the bottom left hand corner, this is where we see the pairs. So we have CAD, JPY, Euro, Pound, Euro, New Zealand. This is just where the currency will be displayed. The numbers on the left, on the right, the numbers is just changing. Blue and red. What that means is that just it's changing to blue white, just to tell us how the market is moving before we can enter. So it's just a little changes. There's so that is how it is. So this is just a simple view. So now let's look at the advance. Now this is the advance. The pairs on the left hand side, we see spread under it. You can see for CAD JPY, the large number is 15 for the low and for the high is 20. That should be around 5p spread, 4.5 spread. Then Euro JPY is around 3 points, almost 4 spread. For NZD, the spread, Euro NZD, the spread is 10 spread, almost 11 spread. So that is how it is. So this is a way whereby we can see the spread before, like to understand the spread before entering a trade. So if you want to edit the pair in this page, just go to the pencil. You can see you can actually delete the pairs, delete them. Now you just have these two pairs on the screen. Now if you want to add screen, we click this plus button, click on forex, then you can add whatever pair we want to add. You click the green plus button, click, then done. To now we can see those are all the pairs we just added, and you can also see the spread under it also. So that is just how this page is now. So if you want to look at GJ, let's click on it, then click on charts. So now this is what the chart is, of which is also our next button on the lower bottom also. So this is the chart button, the chart page. So this the chart on GJ. So if you want to look at a different chart, we just click on the pair, then click on charts, then it goes to chart. This Euro New Zealand on the 4-hour time, on the 4-hour time frame. So on this page, on the top left corner, you can see Euro New Zealand means we are on a 4-hour time frame. So we have the minutes, the hour, and the monthly. There's the 1-hour time frame, as you can see. Yeah, this is on the daily time frame now. Yeah, the M1 meaning MN means a monthly time frame. So that is just to understand the time frame there. So that is it. So that is how to select different time frame you want to trade on. So the next button is the cross hair button. Once you click the cross hair button, we can also we can move it around to see specific price points. At the right, you can see the current the price. On the low, it shows the date. So that's how it is. On we can see 24th October 2019. Then to the right, it says 1.7540, which is the price point that is at currently. If you want to figure out the price it was for that day, you can just put it on the candlestick to know the price it was for that day. So it's a very helpful to understand price and the day. So that is just it. So for instance, if you want to trade on this and want to set a stop loss, you can just use the plus L, just go down, then set our stop loss so that we understand the stop loss we're using and the price. So the next button is indicator button. Click on indicator, main window, we click on it, then we can see different indicators here. I don't like using indicators, but if you want to use them, you can use them. So the next button is a triangle, cycle, and a square. This will be our technical analysis tool. Click on it, you can see a box, Fibonacci, vertical line, horizontal line, trend line. So let's click on trend line and see. So this is the trend line. So we can just click and drag it across the screen, and we can also move the trend line around and see wherever we want to put it. Wherever my finger is, that's where that's where it will go, and it means that's where we want to place it. So it's a nice tool. You can move it to whatever direction we want. For instance, let's just come down there, just put it there, then drag it down and see. It's a nice tool. So if there is dot, means we can move it, but once once we click it, the dot goes away. It means we can't move it away. Click on it, we can delete it, or we can go to properties. Now you can see we can allow it to show in certain time frame, or we can adjust the color. Now purple, let's try purple and see. Now you see the trend line is now purple now. So that also goes for every technical tools there. Now let's go to technical tools and see. And if you don't see a technical tools that you normally use, just click on objects, then you see all other technical tools there. The shapes, rectangle, triangle, ellipse, Fibonacci retracement is there. Then lines, channels, and every other tools, technical tools, they are still there also. So that is it for the technical analysis tools. You can see the current symbols, daily time, the trend lines, the one we just clicked on. If you want to delete it, we just delete it from here. Then that is it. Go to the chart, you see the trend line is no more there again. So that is how to do it. Same thing for all other technical tools also. The same process we did, you can also do it also. So go to settings and see all other buttons. They can only just the main buttons. They just the new account button and the chat button. That is the main button here to use. So let's go to the chat button. You can see if you want to choose any chart, bar chart, candlestick, line chart. Now let's click on bar chart and see. Now bar chart. Now you can see our candlestick now turn to bar chart now. So that is it. Go back to settings, then go back to charts, then back to candlestick, then click on it. Now you can see now we're now back to a candlestick. Now if I want to change the color, go to charts, then go to colors, then design it. So there's how it is. Now let's make my bullish candlestick to be green and my bearish to be red, and then save it there. So we can also make some adjustment there also. Trade levels, let's make the trade levels yellow and see. So that is it. Stop levels is okay. Now let's go back to our charts now and see. Now we see all those changes just appear on our chart. So that is how we do it. You can adjust it and choose whatever you want there. So that is how we do it on MT4. So that is it. You can just go through it and see it yourself and just play around it. So that is how we do it on MT4. So in my next video I'll be doing that of the desktop version. So feel free to drop your comment and like these videos. So that is how we do it on MT4.